Okay. Today we are going to discuss about basic uh, cost project, basic setup for cost project, how to post the Harvard journal and expense journal for these. Those details we'll discuss in basic cost project. Normally, in this session, we are going to discuss starting about a basic cost price project setup and creating the project and project transactions will process and review of project statements. Those are our agenda in the starting and to do that I'm going to USMF legal entity and I'm going to create the project group which is cost price project group with the type is cost project. So to create project group, go to project management accounting and it's a bit slow today. In the project management accounting setups under setup project group. Mhm. Project groups. So let me create project group basic cost price project. Type should be cost project. Once we select the cost project, it is a cost project and it directly goes to penal account. There will be no impact of balance sheet. And on account invoicing it will be none because it there will be no contract for this type of projects cost projects. these are these are internal projects. So so this is a project create a project group for basic cost project project type. And once the project group created, actually in this cost price project there will be no on account transactions. We are not because we are not billing to anyone. It will be like cost project. It is internal project. And let's create a project to test this particular basic setup of cost projects. So let me create new project for this. New type will be project type will be cost project, and here I'll give same thing, basic cost price product project, and a customer I'm not selecting, and project manager. If you want to select for this project, select one of the resource as a project manager, and start date I'm giving as 1210. Once project is created, if you want to post any transactions to this project, what we need to do, we need to change stage to in process. Otherwise system will not allow you to post any transactions for this project. So still creating. Yeah, once project is created, I'm just changing the, oh, I clicked project group instead of project stage. I need to go to project stage. In the project stage, so we have only in process, and maybe it's mentioned as automatically changing starting stages in process. Let me check what is the stage of this project. So it's once created, it is uh, moving to in process stage. That is the setup behind this. And so this is the project we just created. If you want to check it out, go inside and check whatever the details you have provided. Oh, I believe this is not our project. It's, ours is basic. Let me refresh it. I'll take all. Basic cost price of project. This is in progress stage. And once the project changed to in progress, let's create the hover journal for this project. New lines. In the lines, I'm selecting the project date and which project and what is the category of this and resource, and booking 10 hours and posting this hour journal. Hour journal for this cost price project. Once it is posted, if you want to check it out, the voucher transaction for this particular hour journal, go to I mean, I believe it will be in one, not in the lines. It is posted now. If you want to check the voucher of this particular transaction, you can go to um, posted transactions of this project. And this is the journal and view it, view voucher. If you see here, it has been posted to cost of goods or services account. That means this survey we have selected some category while posting that product our journal, and it is booking to project cost which is mentioned in that particular ledger posting setups as project ledger posting setups, and it's booking to payroll allocation. Let me show you where actually system is picking those main accounts for the hour journal. Mm, Project management accounting under setup will have the project ledger postings. It's bit slow. Project cost will be debited and it's a payroll allocation is credited. So once we'll go to ledger posting setup and the project management accounting. In this, if you check, it's sorry, it is in DIT company. Change the company to here project cost. This is the cost account. So we have taken, I guess, what is the category we selected for our journal. Let me check it out. Maybe that to I believe this is the journal we have posted. Core audio. Core audio is the category that we selected for posting, and here category relation table is there. Core audio, anything is there. Mm, Core audio table level, there is no setup for a main account mapping, And if group level, we need to check that core audio will come under which group, which category group. If I go inside this category core audio, I can see the category group, and it is project. Category group is project. I'll search for project. Project, this is the one. This is the combination system is speaking 500130. This is the account available in our transaction as a debit account. Let's check it out. Oh, I clicked wrong one. Yes, 500130. It's picking from this combination for posting the hover journal. Let's check another leg of journal entry, payroll allocation. There is no other combinations. It is all combination, project relation also all, as well as category also all. There is only one account mapped, 600 300. Check it out. 600 300 your is your payroll allocation. Okay. So this is the entry that posted for our journal for this uh, cost project. Let's go and post the expense journal as well. So just to post. So project expense journal. Just a minute, I'll come. And let's start for another concept, expense journal I am posting. And in the expense journal lines, so here I'm taking the project and category is travel. Cost price I have selected 1000, and offset accounts is came 660 double one 500. Default offset account for this project and category. It's 601 500, where it is mapped that particular expense account. It's mapped in the category 601 500, and this is the expense account. It's mapped under uh, category, and let's post it. So let's see which are the accounts posted debit and which account it will post as a credit. So it's posted. If you want to see the voucher, you can go to posted transactions as well. That is the best. Manage tab, posted transactions. This is the one we just posted. Check for the voucher. So 601500, it is debited, that is project cost account, and ledger journal. Ledger journal is credited. So project costs will come from ledger posting, and offset account, that expense account, ledger journal it's come from category expense account. Let's post one more entry to test from where so here it's a confusion that both the accounts it is having, both the setups we are having same main account, so it's causing difficult to pick from where that particular main account is coming from. So let's, what I can do is that I'll edit this and I'll give some other account here. Car rental I'll give for just testing purpose. Once it is car rental given, I'll go to the project to create the expense journal for that particular project. Is that project management accounting, and all projects. So let's create the expense journal now. New lines. So it is the testing scenario for our expense journal from where the particular ledger account is picking for this expense. So it is not picking from here because I have changed it and it's still picking 500 only. Let's change for the cost here, cost account, create new. So it's not at all picking from that screen as well. We'll check it out in the ledger posting. Is there any setup for this default? One is project cost. From project cost, it is speaking. For travel, what is there? 5,130. Not sure how it's booked. Let's see. It's 601 500. Both debit and credit. Project cost. Where it is set up. And this is the cost account. Sorry, it's group level. Where is that travel? Anything is there? No. From here, this travel will comes under which group? It's travel group only. It is under travel group. Then how come system is picking different accounts for travel? Oh, here travel 501 is there. Table level project course. Let's try to post one more journal. Let's check it out. Posting without amount cannot. Oh, sorry. Posted now. Let's go to posted transactions. Yeah, it's changed to core rental expenses. For it's a some refresh issue. It's happened. 501. It's debited now. So maybe once you change it here at the category level, let's change it now again. Changing automatically based on your uh, group level category level setup, and 50500 it is coming. So another ledger account from where it is picking out, that we need to find out. Yeah, so I am also learning this, but not really from where it's picking. I'm not sure. So let's somewhere some default setup is been has been set up for the expense. Here in expense I given 501. Mm, let's see. So once we click the expense and lines, system is giving the automatically that particular account, right? So let's check from here. Expense journal, new we are selecting. So in the journal level, there is no setup. So let's go to lines. Once you click the lines, it is speaking that automatically. So it may be in project level or category level, that we need to check it out. Mm. In project group, we never given any accounts here, and I don't know from where it's taking that particular account. So in this one, we are giving base accounts. There is no 601500 account. Category setup, cost to price expense. This is that. This is cost ledger from where it is taking. Let me Google it. Aware of standard quantity suit and reproduce in our companies. I am using time and material project. Accrue expenses will charge recharge later on. So when I click lines, this appears the field you see default project module. There is form called default offset for expense. You can find this setup in posting section. Oh, okay, got it. Oh, here is the one. Finally, we found. So for travel, it is 601500. From here, it is picking. Let's change it from here so that we know what is the account it is picking and from where it is picking. We'll come to know exactly. So let's go to lines and I'll delete this particular line. If I create new one, it will come 501 as a offset account. Finally, we found that. Yes. So finally, we made it. So 1500 I'll give. Now we have clear picture that for expense journal, the system is speaking from the default offset account for expense account and project cost account. So once you post the entry, if you want to check the entries and can go to posted transactions or manage tab, posted transactions. This is the one voucher. Now we have a clear picture that let me make a note of this. So debit account is the project cost that mapped in category level or ledger posting setup. Then credit default offset account for expense posting setup. Okay, let's give one more try. I'll remove the default offset account for expense for travel. Let me remove it. So I removed from the default offset account. Now again we'll create the expense journal for testing purpose. Let's go to that particular project and create the expense journal. So there is no default now. Default offset account for this travel category. See, no offset account now. Default offset account is not there, so we can select by our okay. So this is the thing we came to know today. So basic cost posted few expense journals and hour journal, 1 hour journal, I guess. Let's go and check the project statements, how it looks like. So this is the general page, and we have our expense item enabled, and there is let me click on calculate. So once we click on calculate, it's added the transactions here. Cost expense 3000 and 150 hour, and total is 3150. If you check the penal account, this is the one. Total cost is 3150. So you can check all the hour rate, everything. 10 hours we booked, and it is 300, uh, 15 rupees per hour, and 315. Hour rate is 15. Gross margin hour rate 315. Value added hour rate 300. Uh, and hour quantity is 10. So this is about